Hi everyone, it's been a while. So the reason why I am recording today is I have something to share. Last year or last December 2025, we received 3 microphones. The first 2 was during our wedding day. Here you go. This is the one. Winnie. Okay, and then the third one was during Christmas Day. It was on Christmas Day. So the reason why I'm sharing this today is we will be testing one of these microphones, and then if tsada atong tingog, that means it's original. Original siya kung tsada tag tingog. Atong klaro na ha. Tapos if dili tsada atong tingog, just contact Mr. and Mrs. Caballero for more details. Pero kidding aside, we will test this one first because I find it really cute. And then mag-unboxing ta. Okay. I actually opened this already, pero atong antawan ihang design again because I forgot. Okay, here we go. This is the microphone. It's so cute. Look at that. The color is so elegant. Dugaya na kung ano sa elegant. Okay, so it says it's a Bluetooth microphone. That means we can connect this to our laptop, to our cell phone, and we can also record. And it has the unique thing about this one is it has a live voice effects. So atwang sulyan if it's really effective. Okay? First thing to do is turn it on. Long press. You see? Kusuga. Mic volume. Okay. Hey. Hey, mic testing. Hey. Okay. Hello. So I think it's working now. Let's choose a song. And I've chosen the song Tahanan by El Mano. I'm not really familiar with the song, pero let's try. Okay.
Sa sumibig, pag-ibig ako nakit, tadhana na bumalong sa atin. Di ba't sinabi sa'yo, ikaw ang lalaban ko. Di magpapago yun at pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Aminin sa'yo, ang daming beses na munti kang sumuko. Ngunit nakayanan ko, kahit walang ang pag-ibig niya. di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di maubos yun. Sabay nating nadadaanan ang lahat, hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal, hanggat sa kulay tayo ng may kapal.
So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.